Hello everyone, welcome to Andro Addict, and in this video I will be giving you a basic overview of the mighty, the legendary, the one and only Kali Linux. So anyways, I am running this as a virtual machine because if anything goes wrong with my virtual machine, my Windows machine remains unaffected. So before proceeding to our video, let's roll the intro. Now the first thing I'll be showing you in Kali Linux is the status bar right here. So the first option we get here is the applications menu. When you click here, you get these applications which are grouped together according to their use. For example, for information gathering, we have these sort of applications. For vulnerability analysis, we have these applications. And web application analysis, we get these applications, and so on and so forth. Just play with it for a while and you'll get to know everything. Now the next option we have here is places. The places are the most commonly visited directories we have in Kali Linux. For example, when I click on home, it will show us all the folders I have in home, and home is usually the root directory of a system. So when I hold the control plus L, right here it will show you /root. So you can also access home from here. Right here it is our dock. When you click on files, it will take us to the same directory where before. Now, hey guys, sorry for interruption, but I wanted to remind you that if you are not familiar with the terms I am using in my video, I am planning to make another video explaining all the terms I use in my videos. So please let me know in the comment sections below. And okay, so let's get back to our video. Now the next here, in the middle of the status bar, the time is showing right here. On the right, we get some more options. The first one is the recording. Here you can record our screen and stops, but you can always use your main Windows machine to record our screen. For example, I am using OBS in my Windows machine to record my screen for YouTube. The next option we get is right here. It is quite important. And the first thing is the volume control. Here you can increase or decrease the volume. Next is showing wired connected, but I'm not actually connected through a wire. It is configured to use a NAT network. I will talk about this later in my further course, but for now let's leave it here. Next we have proxy. We don't have to do anything with these proxy settings, so leave it here. Next up, here it is showing our username. My username is root. The next down here it is showing the shutdown button. Then we have the lock, and this is the settings of our Kali machine. Click here. Here it will show all the settings we have in Kali machine. Bluetooth settings, no Bluetooth found. Background, here you can select any wallpaper of your choice. And then notifications, search, region, language, and so on. Just play with it. It's very intuitive and very simple to learn. Now let's go right here. This is our dock, as I mentioned earlier. When you click here, it is showing us applications. When you click here, it will show us all the applications we have. Down here is showing a frequent and all. Currently we are in all. It is showing all the applications we have in Kali Linux. When you click on frequent, we have all the favorite application. It is also in our docks. So that's it. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.